Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class 3 of CBSE Mathematics. I am Soumya, Maths faculty of Dr. Vincent English Medium School. Are you ready, children? Everyone get ready along with the books, pencil, eraser, sharpener and everything. Children, are you ready? Everyone ready along with the books? I am clearing my board also. Everyone got your books now? Got everything? Yeah. In the previous class, what we have learned? We have learnt about the adjacent corners and opposite corners. Do you remember what are adjacent corners and opposite corners? Good. Now, yesterday I said about the what? Yeah, one activity. Today we want to do one activity. Let's study, children. Good. What we need for the activity I already said in the previous video. What we need? Yeah, we need. What we need? Yeah. First one, two colors or two crayons. Two crayons. Second thing is a square sheet paper. What we need for the activity? A square sheet paper. Okay. Everyone have these items now? If you have, try it now. If you don't have those things, try later. Okay? Okay, children? Now, let's do the activity. Are you ready? Yeah. Everyone open the page number 3 of studio book. See, this is your Maths studio book. Open the page number of studio book. Page number of 3. See this one. Okay? Now see, hands-on is there. See in the page number 3, hands-on there. That activity now we are doing. Okay? See, I took one square sheet paper also here. This is the square sheet of paper. Okay? Now, see there, what there in the first step? In the book, what there? Take a square sheet of paper and follow this instruction. What is the first step? See. Look at the book. Read out. Read out along with me. First step is mark the opposite corners with the same color. What is the first step? Mark the opposite corners with the same color. See. Here we have to keep the paper. What are the opposite corners? What are the opposite corners? This one and this one. Okay? And this one and this one. These are the opposite corners. That's why, see, I am marking with the, see, here. Look at the paper. I am marking with blue color. Here, this corner. What is the opposite corner of this corner? This corner. I am marking with blue. Okay. These two are the opposite corners. These two are opposite corners. Now coming to another opposite corners pair. See. This is one corner. What is the opposite corner of this corner? This one. Isn't? No. This is the opposite corner of this green colored corner. That's why I am using green color to mark the opposite corner of the another green color corner. Means, see, listen. Look at here. These two opposite corners are with blue color and these two corners, opposite corners, I marked with green color. Okay. This is the step 1. What is this one? Step 1. Let's read the step 2. Look at the book and say the step 2. Read out the step 2. What is there? Join the opposite corners as shown. Draw a line on the crease. See, what is there in the step 2? We have to join these two opposite corners like this. See, I am doing here, observe. We have to fold this paper by connecting the opposite corners. Okay, is it right? Good. After folding this paper like this, we got one crease or not? We got one crease. This crease we have to shade with the pencil or color. See. Yeah. Here one line is formed. I am drawing the line on the crease. Now these two are the another opposite corners. Okay. Again we have to make this paper into half like this by connecting the same colored opposite corners. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now here one crease formed. See, observe this crease. Here one crease formed or not? Yeah. On that crease we have to draw another line again. This is one line formed and this is another line formed. Now see what these two are. Okay, that is the step 3. See, join the other two opposite corners and draw a line on the crease. I already drawn the two lines. Okay, now coming to the topic, what these two lines are called? Do you know what these two lines are called? Yeah, these lines are called as diagonals. What these lines are called as? Diagonals. I am writing the spelling on the board. D-I-A-G-O-N-A-L-S. These lines are called what? These lines are called as diagonals. What these lines are called as? Diagonals. For your convenience, I am drawing again on the board. See, this is the square. Okay, isn't it? Is this a square? Good. Now, I am writing the names as A, B and C and D. What these four are? What these four are? Yeah, either corners or vertices. Do you know what is vertex? What are vertices? Do you know? Yeah, I am recalling again. See, where the two sides meet each other, two straight lines or two sides meet each other, that point is called as either corner or vertex. What that one is called as? Either corner or vertex. Now coming to B. Is this a vertex or not? Is this vertex? Yeah, good. This is one vertex. And C is also one vertex. And D is also one vertex. What is the plural of vertex? Vertices. Vertices. Total, how many vertices are there in that square? Observe and say total how many vertices are there? Yeah, count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices are there in that square. What are the name of those vertices? Good children. A, B, C, D. These are the names of the vertices. Now coming to the topic. We already got the two lines like this. See, those lines I am drawing on the board now. These two lines only we got in the activity? Yes. Now observe these two lines. What those are? Diagonals. Diagonal means? Yeah, see, observe. The line that joins the opposite corners. What is diagonal? The line that joins the opposite corners inside that shape. That line should be inside that shape only. Okay? The line that joins the opposite corners or opposite vertices inside that shape is called as diagonal. What that one is called as? Diagonal. Diagonal. See, here AC. That is inside that shape only, and that connects the opposite corners or not? Yeah, that connecting the opposite corners means AC is the one diagonal. Diagonals are what in this figure? AC is one diagonal. See, now coming to BD, these two are also opposite corners. The line that connects the opposite corners inside the figure is what? Diagonal only. That's why BD also one diagonal. Isn't it? BD is diagonal or not? BD also one diagonal. Understand, children, about the diagonals? Let's see some more example. Good. I will take rectangle now. See, this is the rectangle. Okay? What is this one? Rectangle. Yeah, good. I am giving the names as P, Q, R, S. This is the PQRS rectangle. See, here are PQ continuation should be there. PQR, this is S. We can take as on your wish. Okay? PQRS. Now, can you say what are the vertices for this rectangle? What are the vertices? Good children. P, Q, R and S are vertices. Very good. Vertices P, Q, R, S are vertices. Now I am asking about the sides. What are the sides for this rectangle? Observe and say, children, what are the sides for this rectangle? I am asking about sides. Observe and say, yeah, this is one side. What is the name? Yeah, PQ is one side. PQ and QR is another side. And RS. RS is another side. And SP. PQ one side. QR another side. And RS one side. And SP another side. And SP another side. Why I have drawn marks 1, 1 and 2, 2 here? Do you know? Do you know, children? Yeah, for rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. These two sides are equal. That's why I marked as 1. Means the length of the PQ and the length of the SR are equal. And the length of the PS and the length of the QR are equal. That's why I marked 2 lines here. Okay, children. Now, vertices over for this rectangle. And sides also over. Now, what's the next one? Now, only I said about the topic. Good children, diagonals. Diagonals. Now, coming to diagonals. What is diagonal? Say loudly. What is diagonal? Yeah, the line that joins or that connects opposite corners. The inside that figure or inside that shape is called as diagonal. Okay, children? Now, what are the opposite corners here? What are the opposite corners? PR and QS. Means the line that joins PR is one diagonal. We write as PR here. PR is one diagonal. And again, the line join Q and S. This is another diagonal. QS is the another diagonal. Children understood about the diagonal? Okay. Now again I am drawing another figure. See. Observe and say L, M, N and O. For this figure I am asking only diagonals. What are the diagonals here? You have to say. Only diagonals I want now. I want only diagonals. What are the diagonals for this one? That connects the opposite corners. This one is and this one are opposite corners. These two are opposite corners or not? Yes, L and N. Ln is one diagonal. Good children. And what is the other diagonal? Yeah, OM. This one is another diagonal and this one is the other diagonal. OM is another diagonal. OM is another diagonal. Children, everyone understood about the diagonals? Good. Now coming to the textbook. Coming to textbook. Everyone, once go through the textbook about the diagonal topic. See, here step-by-step process is there. Once read out at home. Okay? All these steps. Then, see, everyone open page number 4. Open the page number 4. Here, what there one see? Look at the book and read out. Draw diagonals for the following shapes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 figures given for you. You have to draw diagonals for those 5 figures. Will you do? Let's do now. Good children. I am drawing all those figures now. Okay? See. This is the first one. And second one. And this is the third one. And this is the fourth one. And next one, this is the fifth one. See, now look at the board. We have to draw the what? Diagonals for these figures. First one, see, what this one? What is it? What is it? Square. What is it? Square. For this one, we have to draw the diagonals. What are the opposite corners for this square? This point and this point. These two are the opposite vertices. Means we can draw a line like this. Okay, children? Next. Here, this is one vertex and this is another vertex. These two are the opposite vertices or not? Yes, these two are the opposite vertices. Now, we can draw the another diagonal like this. Children understood how to draw the diagonals? Good. Next, coming to the second one. What is it? Good. Rectangle. What is it? Rectangle. This is one vertex. What is the opposite vertex of this vertex? This one. We have to draw the diagonal like this. Okay? This is one vertex. This is the opposite vertex of this one. Means we can draw the diagonal like this. I am drawing slowly. Okay? You to draw it home on your book slowly. Slowly and neatly. Okay? Now coming to the third one. See, here curve is there. Is this a vertex? No. The vertex is the point at which the two straight lines or two sides meet each other. Is there any point? No, this is the curve. Means this is not the vertex. Is this a vertex? No. Now coming to this one. Is this a vertex? This is also no. Now, is this a vertex? Good. Now this one. Is this a vertex? Good. This is also vertex. Means we can draw for this diagram like this only. Can we draw like this? No. Why? Because these two have the curved lines here. Okay. We can't draw for these two by connecting. Okay. Okay, children. Now coming to the fourth one. Is this a vertex? Yes, sharp point are there. This one also sharp point is there. Here curve is there. Observe in your textbook. Here curve is there. Means this is not a vertex. Can we draw like this for the diagonal? No. Why? Because we have two vertices, opposite vertices there. But here curve is there. Means this is not a vertex. That's why we have to do like this only for this diagram. This one not there. Okay. We can't draw the diagonal here. Children understood? Yeah. Now coming to this one. This is also vertex. And this is also a vertex. And this is also a vertex. And this is also a vertex. Now how can we draw the diagonals? As usual normally. Opposite vertices. By connecting opposite vertices. This is the one vertex. This is the opposite vertex of this vertex. That's why by connecting these two vertices we can draw the diagonal. And what about these two opposite vertices? Can we draw or not? We can draw. Why? Because these two also vertices. Means by connecting these two opposite vertices we can draw the diagonal. Understand, children? Are you getting my point? Yeah. Now if you want to draw in your book, make the video pause and draw neatly, clearly. Okay, children? Okay? Now, see up to here. Look at the page number 4 in your textbook. Okay? After drawing, see one blank also there. Read out that blank. When a diagonal is drawn in a square or a rectangle, we get 2 dash. Okay? Triangles, squares or rectangles given. Okay, that one I am writing on the board and I will explain now. See what given there? When a diagonal is drawn in a square or a rectangle, we get 2 dash. Here options also given: triangles or squares or rectangles. What is the answer? You have to write in the blank. Now let's see for the question. When a diagonal is drawn in a square or a rectangle, we get 2 dash. Okay. Options: triangles, squares, rectangles. He asked me. Now we will check now. I am drawing one square. What I am drawing? Square. Okay. Is it square? Good. Now, what given in the question? See, when a diagonal is drawn in a square, means we have to draw one diagonal. What we have to draw now? One diagonal. I am drawing one diagonal. What is diagonal? Yeah, the line that connects the opposite vertices or opposite corners. In this figure, these two are the opposite corners or not? These two are opposite corners. That's why I am drawing the diagonal here by connecting these 2 points. Okay, children? When a diagonal is drawn in a square, I already drawn a diagonal. Now, the image becomes what? Two what? These two are what? This one and this one. These two are what? What these two are? Good children, these two are the triangles. What these two are? Triangles. That one you have to write down in the blank in your book. Triangles. 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 See the blank again. When a diagonal is drawn in a square or a rectangle, we get two triangles. Isn't it? Yes, good children. Now let's check with the rectangle also. Yeah, I am drawing the rectangle also here. Is this a rectangle or not? Yeah, good children, this is rectangle. Now what are the opposite corners? This corner and this corner. These two are the opposite corners, and this corner and this corner. These two are the opposite corners. We have to draw a diagonal. We can draw like this. Is this a diagonal or not? Yeah, this is a diagonal. Now the rectangle becomes two. These two are. What these two are? Good. This is one and this is two. These two are triangles. See, we get two triangles. Now understand about this plan? When a diagonal is drawn in a square or a rectangle, we get two triangles. Good children. You have to write this triangle in your book. Okay children, everyone understood about the diagonal topic? In the next class, I will continue the next topics. Thank you children.